Hi friends, welcome back! In today's experiment, we're going to make a floating egg. You're going to need a measuring spoon, salt, eggs, water, and food coloring. Here we go! First, pour water into one of the measuring cups. Then, place one raw egg into the cup with water. You're going to notice that that egg sank right to the bottom. Now let's pour water into our second measuring cup. In this cup, we're going to put a few drops of food coloring in it so that we can see it better. Now we're going to take one of our measuring spoons and pour 6 spoons of salt into the cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 spoons of salt. Good job! Let's see if our raw egg sinks or floats. Look at that! It floats in the water with salt. Boys and girls, when salt is added to the water is denser than the raw egg. How cool! See you next time!